大家成日都會問到究竟乜嘢係快樂？今次我會深入不丹嘅山區，用咗3個半小時嘅車程去尋找答案。落住雨，當我落車嚟到呢度，見到200個擁有世界上最純真嘅笑容嘅小朋友。喺呢一間隱藏喺群山之中嘅學校，唔會有豪華嘅設施，冇電子產品，但係大家都充滿住我這些年見到最真實、最滿足嘅快樂。
好啦。
今次喺嚟之前，我專登準備咗200份嘅小禮物，送俾呢一度每一位嘅學生同埋老師，希望將我嘅心意可以親自帶到呢一片淨地。當我將禮物交到佢哋每一位嘅手上時候，其實見到學生們都非常之怕醜，但係又充滿住好奇嘅眼神去望住。喺不丹雖然會經常遇到停電，包括喺學校，但係呢一刻當我發送禮物嘅時候，突然停電，我嗰刻，但係佢哋嘅反應呢，就好似咩事都冇發生過咁。呢個情況好明顯係反映佢哋係日日都會遇到呢啲情況。跟住我問翻佢哋係咪一直會咁停電落去啦，咁佢哋嘅反應都非常之平淡啦，就答係咁樣嘅，因為落雨因素啦，咁所以佢哋經常都會遇到停電嘅問題。見到佢哋呢度個個都怕醜嘅笑容，其實即時都融化咗我。當然同香港嘅小朋友好唔同啦，佢哋呢度係好直接俾到你一個快樂，好平靜，亦都好純真嘅感覺。雖然對我嚟講，呢一份禮物嘅小文具、小簿仔啦，同埋一個小球啦，係俾佢哋可以喺上課堂或者落堂後可以有一個小玩樂嘅。但係見到佢哋咁害羞呢，好怕醜咁講多謝啦。但係見到佢哋亦都緊緊抱住個禮物嗰種嘅開心啦，非常之簡單就容易滿足到佢哋。原本我係諗住交俾學校，但係冇諗過呢，今次個導遊呢係安排我係親手去到每一個課堂，交俾每一位學生嘅。當然今次我都非常感恩啦，因為我可以親自將每一份小禮物去交到佢哋嘅手上，亦都好珍惜同佢哋喺度交接嘅期間呢，見到佢哋每一位亦都係世界上最真誠嘅笑容。一份咁簡單嘅禮物呢，其實已經可以喚起佢哋咁大嘅快樂同埋滿足感。其實有時候我哋係咪已經忘記咗呢？呢一度嘅課室俾人感覺非常之簡單，唔會有冷氣，亦都唔會有一個穩定嘅電源，但喺度我見到佢哋每一位都充滿住平靜、內心嘅連結。
It's filling. Come on. This is a video. What do you want to say in the video?
Hello.
Hello, and
Thank you.
thank you. How old are you now?
I'm 6.
6 years. 6 years.
I'm 6. I'm 6.
You are
I'm
5.
6. I'm 6.
This is the mic. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Isabella.
Silapilo.
My name is Mochu.
What is your name?
My name is Ogichade.
Huh?
My name is Ogichade.
Ochichede. Wait.
My name is Sonansildim Darjan.
Sonantinan Chade. So long. My name is Sensi. Zenzi. Yeah.
喺呢度呢，雖然見到一份微不足道嘅禮物呢，可以俾佢哋帶嚟咁大嘅快樂。
OK。
喺香港啦，或者而家嘅小孩啦，可能收到最新嘅手機呢，笑容都未必可以得到佢哋咁持久嘅真誠。係咪因為我哋而家啲小朋友亦都擁有得太多，忘記咗點樣去喺為一啲微小嘅事情去感恩呢？呢一趟嘅旅程探訪，令到我睇返最學習嘅原始禮貌。 我哋嘅下一代擁有住前所未有嘅豐富資源，但係同時間呢，亦都承受住所有嘅情緒壓力。回想到而家啲小朋友每一個時間表都被塞到滿滿，但係心靈上呢，已經係好可能空虛住。佢哋識嘅嘢係好多知識，但係忘記咗點樣對自己同自己嘅內心去好好相處。
Oh, the light is come back. Your book. Camera, so you can say hello. And then everyone just say hello to Hong Kong camera. Or maybe you can say hello in Bhutanese. Gusu Sampola. Everyone say Gusu Sampola.
Gusu Sampola.
This again. Gusu Sampola. Okay, say cheese.
Cheese.
And how old are you, everyone?
7.
7.
Most people are 7.
You are 10?
I'm 8. He's 10. I'm 8.
He's liar. You are 10.
I'm 8.
You are 8. So everyone like this
I'm also
book?
8. Yes.
8. Okay, study. Okay, finish. Study.
不丹嘅小朋友提醒我哋喺學習嘅本質唔應該帶住一場嘅焦慮、恐懼、競爭，而係應該以一段發現自我、連結世界嘅快樂。呢個亦都唔係代表叫你哋要放棄競爭，而係唔好失去咗對知識真誠嘅渴求，同時要擁有一份一切心懷感恩嘅心態。當然唔係代表不丹一切都係完美嘅，但係佢哋確實可以守護住一份好珍貴嘅能力，無論喺外在環境有幾咁唔穩定，但係佢哋內心都可以保存住一個平靜同埋快樂。我相信呢一種能力，先係我哋真正同小朋友同埋呢個複雜嘅時代最需要被叉電嘅核心營養同埋養分。
Say cheese. Cheese. And Kusa Sampola.
Gusu Sampola.
Kusa Sampola. Okay. Bye bye. See you next
我喺
time.
呢度都祝福不丹嘅孩子能夠一直保存住呢一份純真。
Bye.
我更加祝福每一位可以同下一代能夠無法逃避呢個競爭壓力嘅情況底下，都唔好忘記咗呢兩樣嘢。第一，以擁有嘅事物同埋感恩之心；第二，亦都係純粹好奇同埋知識相遇嘅期間嗰一份嘅真誠同埋快樂。願我哋都喺心中為呢一份最簡單嘅快樂留住一盞永遠唔會滅熄嘅燈。
Kusa Sampola. Everyone. Okay, just sit down. This one. Oh. See you. This one. See you. Huh? Oh, okay. Maybe. See you. Bye-bye. How to say goodbye? Dastere. Dastere. Thank you. See you, everyone. Oh no, this is my second day.
Journey back 啦。
Same to you.
OK，let's go。
Bye bye.
呢度帶唔走佢哋嘅快樂，但我帶走一個問題：點先可以令到自己個內心揾翻屬於自己永遠不會停電嘅快樂？記得 like 同埋 subscribe，我哋下一集再見啦！